Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pollen's Vanity Crib, and today's video is I'm going to tour you around in my small vanity, and it's a DIY vanity. Ito pinagpaguran ng iisang tao lang how this was built up. Yeah. So I'm gonna tour you around. So if you like this kind of video, just keep on watching, guys, and let's go. So guys, this space, the bedroom itself is very tiny or very small. Itong space na to is like space ko lang talaga yan. So when you see the paint na naghahati, yan yung hati ng space from there to here. Pero for now, vanity ko muna yung ating itutour. So let's start. So i-face ko na kayo guys dito. So, let's start muna dito, guys. So, this one is a cabinet. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers of cabinets. So, ito ay parang cloth cabinet. Yan, cloth cabinet. Pero matibay ito, guys. We bought this in True Value for 2,100, pero naka-off siya ng 30%. Yan. So, maganda siya if you're looking for a very cheap cabinet, pero super maganda. Ayan, and hindi nawawala sa theme ng vanity natin, which is parang wash gray, wash white, and syempre may mga touch of wood. Yan. So dito naman, this was given to us. Yan, ang pamangkin ni Jack. So kami yan, so kaya dinisplay namin dyan. It's for her gift to us last Christmas. And this one we bought in Mason Home Fragrances. It's a reed diffuser. So, iniisip namin kung mag-reed diffuser ba kami o mag-reed diffuser na lang muna kami for now. Pero, kasi we wanted to have like an accent here, a candle or something. Pero yung diffuser kasi medyo malaki. So, maglalagay pa kami ng something here. Sana na parang push para may lalagyan ng diffuser. Pero for now, ito muna. Mabango siya. Ang scent nito ay nakalimutan ko na kung anong scent. Pero this is parang 980 pesos. Sabi ni Kuya, parang 1 month daw tatagal. Pero I think hindi. Kasi puno to eh. So I think more than a month. Siguro mga 3 months or so. Yan. So, parang ano to, Orient-based hotel-like diffuser. Yan. This one naman is an accent na lamp. Yan. So, we bought this in HMR, guys. I will try to upload the vlog where we got all of this. Yan. Yun, dun yung makikita ko sa namin binili yan. So, this is from HMR. This is like 700 something. Yan, 790 or 80. And we have an A14 na lights. And maganda to kapag sarado lahat ng ilaw here sa room. Ayan. So, we have a DIY table here. Itong DIY table na to, guys, this is our all palettes. Paleta lang to, guys, na pinagduktong-duktong. Yan. And screw siya dito sa ilalim. So, meron siyang support dito sa ilalim. Tapos, may hook lang, something here. So, again, kahit kayo, kayang-kaya nyo mag-DIY ng yung mga vanity, guys. You don't have to, like, spend so much in doing your vanity. Dito, sobrang tipid na ginawa namin because the palette is like parang 500 ba by 10s. So, lahat ng tables dito are hanging tables, which means na since very small yung space, mas makaka-create ng mas more space para galawan kayo. Because dati talaga sobrang sikip dito because what I'm using for my vanity table is my makeup luggage. I used to do makeup, diba? So, yun yung nilagay ko dito since wala namang masyadong ganap for makeup. So, yun yung nilagay ko for my vanity. Kasi meron yung mga mirror din like this. So, yun. So, yun yung ginamit ko for the longest time. And so, medyo magulo as in, you know, and the room is so cluttered. So, ngayon, medyo maayos na siya and all DIYs lang. So, what we do here is like, winash lang to. White paint and then i-wash lang with water para maging washed yung table, yan. So, here naman is a fur, pero medyo konting fur lang siya, hindi siya very furry. Kasi ito nabili ko to sa Shopee. I'll try to put the link below of the shop. This like 190 pesos lang, guys. Yan. So, sobrang tipid pero super nice when you take a picture here. Yan, so I have a book here, a planner, God's Plan over my planner from Joanna San Diego Books. Yan. So, on this side, malapit sa lamp. So, ayan agad, diba? So, maliit lang talaga yung vanity, guys. Here are my palettes. So, ito yung mga eyeshadow palettes, blush, highlighter, and some of my, highlighter, bronzer. Yan. And then, my favorite scent is here. Then, a vape. Hahaha. Yan. Tapos dito, uniform lang, all high-ends, high-ends, mid-end, na mga lipstick, which are MAC. Tapos, may NARS lang dyan na ligaw. Yan. May NARS na ligaw. Yan. So, so, katabi niyan is my vanity mirror. The vanity mirror is from Vanity Mirror Philippines. I'll link their IG in the description box later. Yan. So, ano yan? Ito yung mga lights ito galing to sa luggage ko. Na vanity makeup luggage which I used, diba nga? Yan, before. Yun yung table ko dito. Yan. Yan, may Lux Organics ako ni Hair Mist from Anakay. And here are the, halo-halo na to. Makeups from Dildalia. My scents also, here's Calvin Klein and Dirty from Lush. Tapos mga powder, cleansing balm. This is hand cream or body butter. Pwede din, pero hand yung ginagamit ko siya kasi konti lang. Laura Mercier. And then, some like, nilagay ko lang for accent. Pero most of this one, pag inikot mo siya is like, nandiyan yung mga foundation, skincare, meron ding mga lipstick there. Yung mga hindi ko masyadong ginagamit na lipstick. Yan. So, yun lang yung laman yan. And this one, I got this. This one is mas nipis na acrylic. I got this from Lazada. It's like 280 pesos. Pero na-crack nga siya dito. Pero, ayun, doon, na-crack siya. Pero okay lang naman. Kasi, it served its purpose. So, nagandahan ako sa kanya. Yan. By the way, this mga acrylic na to, ito, galing na to sa dati ko pang vanity luggage. Yung nilalagyan ko ng ibang makeups. This one's from Benefit. So, ito ay eyebrows lang, nakalagay dyan. This acrylic naman, ito yung sobrang gandang acrylic. We got this from True Value na naka 50% off. Parang nasa 500, so 200 something plus na lang siya. 500 plus, pero 200 something plus ko na lang siya nabili. Yan. So, before I forgot. Yan. So, dito naman is like, ito yung aking mga favorite palettes. Ito, Anastasia and the Naked palette. The Marc Jacobs. Ito si si Jeffree Star. This one is the 3CE na mga pampakinang sa mata. Yan, so I put it there. Actually, ito lang talaga yung mga makeups ko. So, nung nag-ayos ako, madami akong natapon, guys, kasi ang dami na-expire. So, yun. Hindi ko na siya vlog kasi sobrang toxic nung time na yun. Yan. So, andito lang yung mga favorite blush ko. Actually, yung mga ibang makeups ko nasa makeup kit, nasa makeup bag ko pa kasi nga, I always bring that when going to Bulacan and coming back here. Yon. So, andito lang yung favorite ko na Glossier. Yan. Tapos dito naman is random things. Yan. May ballpen pa nga ako. Random things pero mostly eyeliners, eyebrow pencil, concealer. Ito na yung mga lipstick ko. And I realized na sobrang konti lang pala ng mga lipis ko. Yan. So, meron lang akong Coco, Kylie Jenner, and all. So, this acrylic naman is, I got this from True Value. It cost around 1,700. Pero ito ay naka 50% off, guys. So, roughly around 700 plus. Yun, parang gano'n na lang siya, yung cost nitong acrylic na to. And this is a really good kind of acrylic, guys. Makapal siya. Yun. So, dito naman sa baba, bago tayo umakyat, is what we got from Van's Bodega sale through Facebook Market. This is the storage lang. Yan, kasi nga, para mas clean, mas neat, walang masyadong clutter, kailangan nyo ng sobrang madaming storage. So, this storage is like, nakalagay lang yung mga bags ko dyan. And some things na kailangan kong laging, kunin-kunin yan. So, this one is parang collapsible lang siya, pero synthetic leather, good quality naman siya. Beside here is, ito matagal ko nang meron ito. This one, ang laman nito mga cellphone cases and other stuff. Yan. So, random. So, let's move on here. So, dito parang ginamit lang is 1, 2, 3 na palette. Yan. Tapos, yun. Bumili lang sa Mr. DIY ng ganitong mga braces. Yan. So, up above the vanity mirror are the random things, pero ito yung mga favorite things ko in life. Yan, ito yung sa planner. Nilagay ko lang dyan to remind me that is God's plans is better than our plan. So, God's plan over mine. Then another, kasi tig-isa kami. So, another artwork from Angie. This one is my Instax. And then, my favorite scents, this is Ferragamo Amo, Calvin Klein The Woman, yung isa maliit, Dalan Van. This is the Lanvan. I don't know what it called, pero it's Lanvan. Then my favorite scent, Clinic Happy, Clinicalix, and Izumiyaki. And then I have a spare of a Girl in Capri ni Lanvan, which is yun nandito sa baba. Yeah. Tapos we have ito, planner na maliit lang. And then the Hero 4. And, syempre, yung G7X ko that I use for vlogging and all. So, yan lang. So, above it, so ito lang yung mga box na may laman, pero hindi yun yung laman. So, ito lang yung pinaka-vanity. As you can see, very simple and you can do it. Guys, kung meron kayong, yan, yun, baba ako. Kung merong, lalaki sa bahay, kuya, dad nyo, you can ask them to do this and hindi pa kayo abutin ng mga ilang araw. Actually, the whole room, para mga 3 to 4 days lang ginawa. Yan. And you have all of this already. And for the vanity, hindi nyo na makailangan ng sobrang bonggang vanity if you have a small room, diba? You just need to have like an organized vanity para lang makita niya yung mga things nyo, especially me, yung mga makeups. That's about it, guys, for this video. It's a quick tour lang of my vanity and kung saan nyo mabibili yung mga kailangan nyo lang sa vanity. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang dami nakalagay sa table nyo. As long as it's functional, it's organized, I think mas maganda yung ganong feeling, diba? Yan. So guys, I guess that's all about it for this video. If you like this kind of video, just give me some loving by liking this video. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!